Alright, we've got her up and running. This motor is super smooth, really quiet, really good condition, 114,000 k's, well maintained, serviced regularly, and no leaks. Coolant looks alright. We'll let that burp out, we'll let it heat up, we'll pop inside and get the heater cranked. Okay, inside the bus now. Touchscreen, climate, and we'll crank up the heat and get her up and running. Now want the aircon on. We'll just let it warm up, do its thing, and then we will get stuck into cleaning all the years of arse juice out of these seats, and we'll do some archaeology under the seats. Stand by.